Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a Google account. A Google account gives you access to a wide range of Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, and much more. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Google. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and type in google.com in the address bar. Hit enter, and you'll be taken to the Google search page. Step 2. Create a new account. In the top right corner of the Google search page, you'll see a blue button that says, Sign In. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Google Sign In page. Since you don't have an account yet, click on the Create Account button. Step 3. Enter your personal details. You'll be taken to a new page where you'll need to enter your personal details, such as your first and last name, username, and password. Make sure your username is unique and not already taken by someone else. You'll also need to provide your birth date and gender. Step 4. Add your phone number and email address. Once you've entered your personal details, you'll be prompted to add a phone number and an email address. These are essential to help you recover your account in case you forget your password or need to verify your identity. Step 5. Agree to the terms and conditions. Before you can complete your account creation, you'll need to agree to Google's terms and conditions. Make sure you read through them carefully before clicking on the I agree button. Step 6. Verify your account. Once you've agreed to the terms and conditions, Google will send a verification code to your phone number or email address. Enter the code into the verification box on the screen, and your account will be verified. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Google account. Now you can start using a wide range of Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, and YouTube, among others. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one.